Oh no, we ran out of milk. Do you know what that means? Let's learn one super useful phrasal verb, run out of. Run out of means to finish, use or sell all of something so that there's none left. I've run out of milk. Or he ran out of money. They ran out of ideas. And the teacher ran out of patience. Notice here we say run out of plus the noun. Or you could say, do you have any milk? Sorry, I've run out. My patience is beginning to run out. Or if a document or official agreement runs out, the period of time for which it lasts finishes. My passport runs out next month. I must get it renewed. Or finally, time is running out. Here we use it to say that there's not much time left in which to achieve something. Time is running out for the men trapped under the rubble. So next time, don't say I've finished the milk. Instead say I've run out of milk. It sounds much more natural. What's something you always run out of? Coffee? Patience? Write it in the comments. And don't forget, like, subscribe and share to help my channel grow even more. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.